Hello, welcome to Home Decorating Ideas. Today, we are delving into a captivating kingdom of front door design, the gateway to your home's personality. Join me as we explore a variety of styles that will not only enhance your curb appeal but also make the lasting impression. Let's begin our journey with a timeless elegance of classic front doors. Crafted from solid wood with intricate details and finishes that stand of the test of time. They are the epitome of traditional charm, setting the tone of welcoming and inviting home. Now, let's take a step into a modern era with latest front door design. For those who appreciate a touch of nostalgia, consider the allure of vintage or reclaimed front doors. Whether it's a rustic farmhouse door with a story to tell, an intricately curved antique piece, vintage doors add a unique historical touch to your home's facade. It's a design choice that celebrates the past while embracing the present. The color of your front door can be expressed your personality and create a welcoming focal point. It's a design choice that allows you to infuse your homes with a burst of energy and individuality. These designs not only invite more natural light into your entryway, but also create an open and inviting atmosphere. Now, let's talk about a modern allure of pivot doors. Modern and eye-catching. Pivot doors rotate on a central hinge, creating a dramatic entrance. These doors are not just functional, they're a work of art that adds a touch of luxury to your home's exterior. As we explore these front door design ideas, remember that your front door is the first impression your home makes. Whether you're drawn to a classic elegance of traditional doors, the sleek modernity of contemporary designs, the charm of vintage or reclaimed doors, the vibrancy of colorful entrances, the openness of glass panes, or the modern allure of pivot doors. There's a front door waiting to welcome you home. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more designs, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining me. Happy designing. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.